I call it. This is mine. Bro, this is like,
Why don't you demonstrate to
this is Shofar.
viewers?
Is it Shofar? Is that how you say it? Shofar action. I don't think this is a...
It is. It is. You just blowing that.
How much?
You demonstrate.
How much?
Yeah, I'll buy you lunch today.
You're already going to buy me lunch.
No, come on.
It's
for the entertainment, for viewership.
Bro,
come on now.
Look at the condition of this house.
Okay, wipe it off. You're called out on video right now. You have to do it.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh.
Here,
dude,
don't worry. You can wash it down with some sparkling grape juice afterwards.
Non-alcoholic?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. It is not. It's like a flask or something. That was not a horn. You just made me put my lips on that, and that is not a horn.
I seriously want to throw up. That combined with the smell in here.
Dude, that's wrong.